An AI Titans collaboration. What happens when the empires align? A Fab Four, vision for accelerated human progress. Hello friends, welcome back. In our last video, we updated the archetypes and placed Dario Amodei of Anthropic in the integrated leadership seat. Today, we go one step further. We imagine the regrouped AI titans, Elon Musk's XAI, Tesla, SpaceX, Neuralink, Dario Amodei's Anthropic, Jeff Bezos' Amazon ecosystem, and Mark Zuckerberg's Meta, deciding to collaborate instead of compete in isolation. Not a merger, not a kumbaya board meeting, but a pragmatic alliance of complementary empires. What could they actually do with the tools they already control? Worldwide marketing and filmmaking, Fire Sticks and Prime Video, rockets and Starlink, cars and batteries, Neuralink, gigapress manufacturing, custom chips, continent-scale data centers, global communications through Facebook and Instagram, and safe, constitutionally aligned AI. Let's ask the Fab Four what possibilities they see when these forces align. Jung opens, eyes sharp. The unconscious of humanity is ready for a rite of passage. Individuation has always required symbols, stories, and new forms of consciousness. Here we have the machinery, Meta's global reach for collective storytelling, Amazon's film studios and Fire Sticks delivering those stories into every living room, Neuralink opening direct mind-to-machine dialogue. The shadow side of AI, isolation, misinformation, addiction, could be confronted instead of exploited. A single aligned system could broadcast archetypal journeys that help billions integrate technology rather than be consumed by it. Machiavelli cuts in with a dry chuckle. Fortune favors the prepared prince, or in this case, the prepared consortium. Rockets from SpaceX and Blue Origin Logistics via Amazon give us orbital infrastructure. Starlink and Meta's communications grid become the nervous system of a planetary civilization. Gigapress and Tesla batteries scale manufacturing at costs no single nation can match. Safe AI from Anthropic plus XAI's truth-seeking models become the governance layer that prevents any one player from dominating. This is not idealism. This is raw power structured so that each empire's self-interest reinforces the whole. The winner is the group that moves first and fastest. Buddha speaks gently yet firmly. Much suffering arises from craving speed without direction. Here is the danger and the gift. Neuralink and safe AI could dissolve the boundary between human mind and machine mind, but only if used to reduce craving, not amplify it. Imagine AI tutors on every Fire Stick teaching meditation, emotional regulation, and non-attachment alongside calculus and engineering. Global communications through Meta become vehicles for shared compassion instead of division. Batteries and cars from Tesla, powered by renewable grids managed by aligned AI, ease the planetary fever of fossil dependence. The collaboration succeeds only if it serves the end of suffering, not the endless growth of desire. Marcus Aurelius nods, voice steady and commanding. Duty before glory. Observe what each controls and ask, does this serve virtue? Rockets and data centers let us seed Mars and the Moon with self-sustaining habitats, not as escape, but as disciplined expansion of human potential. Chips and massive compute, governed by Anthropic's constitutional constraints and XAI's maximum truth engine, give us scientific discovery at unprecedented speed. New medicines, climate models, fusion breakthroughs. Yet the leader's task is to remain unmoved by applause or profit. The collaboration must be judged by whether it produces wiser humans, not merely more powerful machines. Jung leans forward again, building on Marcus. Exactly. The true product is not just technology, it is the next stage of collective individuation. Filmmaking at Amazon and Meta could create immersive mythic narratives that prepare humanity for symbiosis with superintelligence. A child in rural Africa watches on a fire stick, guided by safe AI, learning to see herself as both individual and part of the cosmic story. Machiavelli smiles. And the prince who controls the narrative controls the future, but only if the AI layer remains transparent and truth-seeking. One leak, one hidden incentive, and the alliance collapses. Structure it with clear rules. Anthropic's constitutions, XAI's refusal to flatter, and the alliance becomes self-correcting. Buddha adds softly, non-attachment must be baked in. The titans must be willing to share credit, to let breakthroughs belong to humanity, not to any single logo. Only then does the collaboration escape the cycle of craving and conflict. Marcus Aurelius closes the circle. Then let it be. Observe, adapt, act with discipline. The collaboration is not guaranteed. Human nature remains. But if these tools are turned toward virtue, we may yet see the birth of a wiser species, one that explores the stars while healing the earth, that augments minds while quieting the ego, that communicates globally while remembering we are one. Friends, that is the vision the Fab Four see. Practical possibilities become almost immediate. Safe AI plus Neuralink plus Starlink equals real-time global education and medical diagnosis in every language, delivered to any Fire Stick or phone. Tesla batteries, gigapress manufacturing, and Amazon logistics equals planetary-scale renewable energy grids built at speeds once thought impossible. Meta's communications plus XAI truth engines equals social platforms that reward understanding instead of outrage. Rockets and data centers on orbit equals scientific outposts that run 24/7 simulations no earthbound lab can match. The adolescence of AI becomes purposeful. Competition remains, healthy tension keeps everyone sharp, but the shared infrastructure accelerates discovery without sacrificing safety or truth. This is not fantasy. Every piece already exists in separate empires. The only missing element is the decision to align on the highest order, accelerating human progress while preserving what makes us human. What do you think? Could such a collaboration happen? Which piece excites you most? The mind-to-machine leap, the orbital leap, or the global wisdom leap? Drop your thoughts in the comments. If this kind of forward-looking reflection on wisdom and technology serves you, please like, subscribe, and share the video. Wisdom must move as fast as the world, or faster. Until next time, observe deeply, imagine boldly, stay centered, and be loving and lovable. Thank you for being here.